Perfect. So 40%, turn that to a decimal is the first step, and that decimal point moves 2 spots to the left. We get 0.4 or 0.40, whichever, it doesn't matter. Of means multiply. Of becomes multiply. Total sales. That's the thing we're trying to find, the unknown number. We could use the letter A, B, C, D, E, or we often like to use the letter X, so I'll just use X. Is becomes equals, and then 924,000, right? So now we've turned a sentence into an equation. And now we get X on its own, divide by 0.40 or 0.4, same thing, right? Get that? So therefore we'll get 0.4, 0.4 is just 1, we'll get 1x, or x equals, and now we have to do a division with a decimal. So that is 0.4 into 924,000. And we can't divide with a decimal. We've got to turn the divisor into a whole number. So we've got to move the decimal point 1 spot to the right. Now if we do that, we must move this decimal spot also 1 spot to the right. And stick a 0 in here. So what we have is 4 into 924,000, and the decimal point is over here now. Does that make sense? Okay. So, and just to nail this point, what we've done is, by moving the decimal point to the right in both spots, it's like taking this fraction and multiplying it by 10 over 10. Because 0.4 times 10 is like 40 cents times 10, which is $4, right? And 940,000 times 10 is 924, and then 4 zeros. So it's actually 9,240,000. I've multiplied 924,000 by 10, I got 9,240,000, right? So it's 4 into that. Now 4 into 9 goes twice, remainder 1. I'm going to do a trick where I put my remainder beside this 2, like that. And then I just go 4 into 12 goes 3 times. And then I go 4 into 4 goes, or 1 time, yeah. And then 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, and so on. Until I come to here, and the decimal point is here. You must have 4 zeros after that. Okay with that? So we find our x is this funny number, 231, with then 4 zeros after it. Can we put in commas to show what number this actually is? Like every 3 spots there should be a comma, right? And it should be a comma here. So how would you describe that number? 2,310,000. Good job. Just for fun, I'm going to write, does this make sense? 2.31 million. Does that make sense? Right. Same thing though. 2,310,000, same thing as 2.31 million, isn't it? So Mercedes-Benz sold 2.31 million cars between 1985 and 2018. Almost 1 million of those were recalled, which means, there was an airbag defect or a seatbelt defect or whatever. But 60% of them were not recalled. But in any case, yeah, that's the answer. They sold 2.31 million cars from 1985 to 2018, and these are real life numbers. I didn't make them up. That's real. All right. And that Mercedes-Benz actually in that time period sold more cars than any other car manufacturer in the world, right? Okay.